Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Vidhi and today I am going to create this travel flyers design, and this is an A4 size page. I'll double click on this rectangle to get the rectangle of that particular size. This is the size 210 by 297 mm. Then I'll select shape tool and change the corner value from here. If you keep this lock ratio active, you can change the corner value, 4 corner value at a time. I'll make it 15. Okay. Now I'll create a copy of this. I press plus from keyboard and select this polyline tool from here and draw a line here, rough line here. Double click here to end this line. Then select this corner, only this corner, and change the corner value to keep the lock ratio open and change the corner value to 130 mm. Okay. I'll select smart fill tool. You can choose any color from here and fill color here. Now I'll delete this line and delete this extra object. Now I'll select this image and power click, right click, power clip inside this rectangle. Hold control and click on this rectangle to open power clip content. Now select this image and adjust here. Increase the height, hold shift and increase the size. Okay. Now close this power clip window. Control click on this page to close this power clip window. Now select this image and change color of this. Sorry. Now select this object and change the color of this object and select the eyedropper tool. Select color from here and fill it here. Click on interactive fill tool. Drag it like this. Click on this arrow, select eyedropper tool and select color from here. Okay. Now apply transparency to this. Click on transparency tool. Drag it like this. See, we can see the edges of this image, so we have to hide the edges. Move it like this and change the transparency here. Change the opacity to 0 and from here change the opacity to about 50 or 60. We'll make it 50. Okay. Now select this rectangle and give color 10% black. Now I'll place text here. And give white color to this. I'll increase the size of this. Okay. Now select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Select shape tool and drag it like this. Select this rectangle, hold shift and select background, press C to align the centers vertically. I'll increase the height of this rectangle. Also width, hold shift and increase the height and width. I'll decrease it to 150 mm. Okay. Then I'll hold control and rotate it on left side. Decrease the height to 120 mm. Again, I'll create a copy of this. Press plus from keyboard, hold shift and select this object and press R. Then hold control, select this object, hold control and rotate on right side. Select all three objects, hold shift and decrease the width and move it using top arrow key. I'll give white color to this all three objects. Now select 3-point ellipse tool, draw an ellipse from draw circle from here to here, drag it like this, hold control and click here, you will get a circle of that particular width and hold shift and decrease the size. Again hold shift, decrease the size, press right click to create a copy. Select both. I'll change the color of this line to gray, dark gray. Okay, I'll increase the thickness to 0.25 mm. I'll make it zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5. Okay, select both, group it, create a copy, drag it like this, press right click to create a copy. Select this, hold shift and select this, press C. Again create a copy and place it here. Hold shift and select this, press C to align the centers vertically. Now select all three objects, ungroup it and power click these images. Right click on this, power clip inside this circle, hold control, click on this object, edit this image. Control click on page to close this power clip window. Same way, power clip these images. Control click to close. Right click, power clip inside, click on this object. Okay, this okay. Control click to add it, power click and decrease the size. Close this power clip window. Now place the text here. Press C. Select this. Drag it. Create a copy. Press C. Press C. To 02. Edit it to 03. Drag it. XYZ. Enter. Set. Place it here. Select this. Press C. Decrease the size. Hold shift. Select this. Hold shift. Select this. Press C. Create a copy. C. Edit this text. 699. Create a copy. Select this. Press C. 599. 599. Now select freehand tool. Make it 50 here and draw a freehand curve shape here. Select shape tool and edit this shape. Okay. Change color to white. Increase the thickness of this line. Thickness to 0.5 mm and change the line style to this one. This one. Increase it to 1 mm or 0.75 mm. Select ellipse tool and draw a circle here. Place it here and change the thickness to 0.75. Select shape tool and okay. Now place the aeroplane here. You can download this in from Google or in fonts also you'll get it in symbols or web links. Okay. Now you remove outline of all these objects and these circles. Now select all these and click on convert to curves. Select this, press C, select this, C. Press C. Now select this object, apply drop shadow to this, drop shadow, adjust opacity and feather, I'll make it 8, feather 10, and opacity 35. Select all these objects, shift page up to bring it on top, and select this, click on here, attributes eyedropper tool, properties, none, here none, and here tick drop shadow here. Okay, select this drop shadow, apply to this, apply to this. So your design is ready now. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.